Now see here, this is what first question. Use the bar graph to answer the following question. Which is the most popular pet? So see, this is our figure 3.3. In the 3.3 we have to see. This is the 3.3. Here it is given. These are the animals, pet animals, and this is what students. So they have asked which is the most popular pet. So we are seeing dog is there, cat, rabbit, hamsters, and others. So see, dog, for the dog, till where we are having, till the 8 we are having, till where we are having, till the 8 we are having, and cat you can see till where we are having, till the 10. And for the rabbit how much, 2 we are having, and hamster how much, it is in between you can see 6 and 4, so it is how much, 5. And this other is also you can see in between which line, this line and this line. So here we are seeing from the 2 and 4, so how much it is there, 3. So they have asked which is the most popular pet. Most popular pet means what, which is liked by many number of students. So we are seeing cat is liked by how many students, 10. So our first answer is cat. So its answer will come how much, cat. Then how many children have dog as a pet? So how many children have a dog as a pet? So this is the dog, and here you can see this is till where, till the 8. So how what the answer will come, 8 will come the answer. So here we have completed our first question. Now see the second one. So read the bar graph and answer the question that follows. Number of books sold by the bookstore during the 5 consecutive year. So consecutive year means what, the regular year. So in 189, so here you can see 189 it is given, 119, 192. So here first we will see this one. So here we can see this is what, years, and this is what, number of books. So here we are what we are seeing, 189. So see this 189, here this 189, here this 189 it is given. So you can see this 189 is what, less than 200. So we will take the approx how much, 180 we will take. So this we will take how much, 180. So that we will take 180 for the 189. Now see for the 1990. So you can see this one, this is what, somewhat below the 500. So that we will take what, the approx 475. Why we are taking 475, you can see in the second question, how many books sold, how many books were about 475 books sold, in which year they have asked. So you can see it is what, somewhat below the 500. So we will take how much, approx 475. Then in 1991 you can see what, it is exactly about the 300. If we will match, it will come on the 300. So that will be 300. And for the 1992 you can see it is somewhat up of 200. And in the second part you can see 225 books were sold. This 1992 we will take how much, 225 books we will take. And for the 1993 you can see that is exactly where, for the 1993 to the 600 it is there. So we will take how much, 600. So here we have talked about 189, how much we are taking, 180. So here we are taking how much, that I am not writing, I think you have understood now. So here we will take 180, this is below 500, so 475. This is exact 300, so we will take 300. 1992 somewhat up of 200, so we will take 225. And 1993 is exact 600. Now we will give the answer. So how many books were sold in 1889? So we will write the books sold in year 1989 is approx 180. Then we will write the, for the 1990 the books were sold in year 1990 is approx 475. And for 1992 we will write the books were sold for 1992 is 225. this first part it is completed. Now we will go on the second. In which year were about 470 books sold? So in the year in 1990, in year 1990, 470 books were sold, and for the 225 you write in 1992 the 225 book were sold. So this is our second part. Now in which year were fewer than 250 books sold? So in which year we have sold a few books? So see, in which year we are having, from the 250 they have told. So in 1989 is approx what 180, and 1992 is approx was 225. So we will write in year 1989 and year 1992 were fewer than 250 books sold. Can you explain how you will estimate the number of books sold in 1989? So see, this is our books. So here from 0 to 100 in the graph I will show you that after in the next question, that from 0, that one box, that's 0 to 100 is how many box? Only the one box. And in then one box, one line is there. So total 10 lines are there from this 0 to 100. How many lines? 10 lines will be there. In the last year also we have seen the graph. So in one box we have counting the lines, how many lines we are having? 10 lines. It means what? That one line contains the 10 books. Why? Because 0 to 100 are there. So one line contain how much? 100. So the 10 line will contain how much? 10 into 10, 100 books will contain. So here one line contains the 10 books. So they have asked in 1989 how many books were sold. So in 1989 how many books were sold? It is approx 180. So we have completed the first and second part.